Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important plagiarism checking tool. So it is a free plagiarism checking tool. So many of us are asking for a free plagiarism checking tool. So this will be help you to get rid of your plagiarism in your research paper. You can check your plagiarism in your research paper and get your plagiarism reduced using this tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tools. The first tool what we are going to discuss today is that plagiarism checker free. So here you can see this is the plagiarism checker free. So click on that plagiarism checker free. So it leads to the dashboard here. So here you can see plagiarism checker, paraphrasing, and click on the tools here. You will be having new options also. So PDF to Word, Word to PDF, reverse image search, text compare, article rewriter, grammar checker. So click on view all. So these are the different options available. So all this you can use it for free. So first we will explore with plagiarism checker. So in order to check this plagiarism, so I have a content which is copied from Wikipedia. So I am going to copy a content which is taken from internet. So I am going to copy and paste the content here in this plagiarism checker. Here you can see, so total words, so you can copy up to 1000 words. So after that you can paste that one, the content. So after that click for plagiarism. So let us see how it will generate plagiarism for the content. So it will take several seconds to generate. So here you can see this is 100% plagiarized, as I have already told that. So this plagiarism, that is the content we have copied, is taken from internet. So it will justifies that it will 100% plagiarized. So it will be a better option in order to check your plagiarism. So it will be a tool that which checks plagiarism correctly. So next one is that paraphrasing tool. So click here, paraphrasing. So here, so enter text for paraphrasing. So here I am going to copy the same content which I have copied for plagiarism. So copy the same content. So after that you can click paraphrase. So let us see how this paraphrasing will works out. Here you can see the output text, rephrased text. So you can copy and paste this text for use. So again we will check this rephrased text, that is paraphrased text for plagiarism. So let us see how this tool will reduce plagiarism. So again go to plagiarism checker. So copy and paste that content which is paraphrased, and then again you can give check for plagiarism. So let us see how it will works out, whether the content is rephrased very better or not. Yes, here you can see this is 100% unique content and 0% plagiarized, as this paraphrasing will be done very better. So from this example you can understand easily. So you can convert this content which is plagiarized into plagiarism free content using this plagiarism detector itself by using this paraphrasing tool. So apart from that you will be having different options called article rewriter, text compare, and grammar check. So I am going to explore the option called grammar check. Click on grammar check. So here you can see, use our free grammar and punctuation checker and corrector to ensure your writing is free from all errors. Grab punctuation, grammar, and spelling mistakes in content in few instances with this free online utility. So in order to check this grammar, so you can make use of this tool to check. So I am going to copy and paste the same content again. So after that, so you can go for grammar check. So here you can see, so the grammatically corrected things are represented here. So here you can see, for instead of or not, it's a grammar mistake. So you can use or not. So instead of similar you can use suggestions. So instead of does not you can use does not. So like that you can make use of this grammar corrector to correct your grammar and spelling mistakes. So thereby it will be one of the best tool to check your plagiarism. Not only that plagiarism checking, and also you can paraphrase that content using this paraphrasing tool available in this plagiarism director itself. So after that you can check for plagiarism. Surely it will get rid of your plagiarism problems. So apart from that, it will be free only for a limited use. So if you want to go for that is deep grammar check and you have to use more number of words, so you have to go for pro option. So here you can see so these are the different plans and pricing options. So here you can see this is weekly option, monthly option and yearly options are available. So if you are interested in this plagiarism director tool, so you can go for this pricing options, unless it is free only for limited words, that is you can copy 100 words at a time to check plagiarism. So you can make use of this free plan also. So next tool what we are going to discuss today is that EditPad. So it is also a plagiarism checking and a paraphrasing tool. So here you can see this is a plagiarism checker. So click on that plagiarism checker. So here you can copy and paste your content here. So what I am going to, in order to compare that both tools, I am going to copy and paste the same content which I have used for that first tool also, that is Plag Director tool also. Copy and paste the content and then enter check for plagiarism. Here you can see that our report is generated. So this is 100% plagiarism. As I have already told, that content is copied from internet, that is Wikipedia. So here you can see the total number of words, unique words are 0, sentences are 4. So and also it will give the where the sources has been taken. So here you can see photovoltaic system from Wikipedia, next PV array, this is from MATLAB Central, next this is unit 3 from power converters. So like that it will give the similarity report for that particular content. So we will do the same as we did in the last tool. So again here you will be having an option called paraphrasing tool. So click on the paraphrasing tool. So copy and paste the same content here. So here you can see there are different options available in this paraphrasing tool: reworder, farmer, smart, improver, academic, shorten. So you can select any of these words to paraphrase it. So as we are use these tools for our research article preparation, so I am going to give it as academic. So here academic you have to go for pro plan. So I am going for a normal, smooth normal option. So I am going to click paraphrase. So let us see how the content will be paraphrased. Yes, you can see here the paraphrased content is generated. So copy that paraphrased content. So again we will check the same content with plagiarism checker. So let us see how it will works out, whether that paraphrasing option worth for it or not to reduce plagiarism. So again give check for plagiarism. Here you can see that the report is generated. So the plagiarism is 28%. So before that it will be around 100%. So the plagiarism is reduced, and then you can see the unique content that is 72%. So these are the words which is a common words, it can be subjected to plagiarism. So like that you can reduce plagiarism using this plagiarism checker tool also. So like that we have seen two different tools which is useful for us to detect plagiarism in your research paper, and also in both the tools it will be having paraphrasing option. By using the paraphrasing option, so you can reduce your plagiarism also. As in both tools, both tools have limited words only. So if you are using more number of words, we have to go for subscription option. So you can use limited words for free and check your plagiarism in your research paper. And also don't forget to explore the different options available, that is like PDF to Word, Word to PDF, text compare, article rewriter, grammar check, etc. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So go on, check these two free plagiarism checking tools and make use to write your research paper. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.